is Jacob from EVGA here at Gamescom, showing off some of our motherboards here. So here I have the EVGA Z87 classified motherboard. This motherboard supports up to 4-way SLI. It also has a Creative Sound, Creative Core 3D audio processor on it. We do add the PLX, for the 4-way SLI we add the PLX bridge chip, which gives it the extra PCI Express lanes necessary for that. So we spent a lot of time on the layout of the board, not only the layout but the overclocking ability. It has a brand new GUI BIOS, which will ship on all Z87 motherboards, and the X79 Dark. We spent over a year developing that. So we expect to start shipping this motherboard later this month at a price point of around $349 to $399. The EVGA Z87 and X79 Dark motherboard also include a new GUI BIOS that we spent a very long time developing it. So this is the BIOS. You can use the mouse. The mouse works fine. You can scroll the mouse wheel. That works fine. But you don't have to. You can also use the keyboard. Keyboard works just as it should. We wanted to make it very easy to use for users. So users who don't want to use a mouse and just want to use a keyboard. Personally, I think the keyboard is quicker, but you don't have to. You can use the mouse as well. Up here we have a kind of a heads-up display. It gives you a lot of information. I have one graphics card running at PCI Express 3.0 speeds, some temperatures here, a CPU multiplier, B clock, CPU frequency, hyperthreading's enabled, 4 cores. Some memory stats over here, 2 8GB DIMMs, 16 GB total, memory frequency, and my voltages. So it kind of gives you all the important information that you really want to know right at the top there. Okay, on the graphics card side, I'm showing the GeForce GTX 780 classified graphics card. This is a new graphics card that we just started shipping. It uses the GTX 780 GPU. We increased the height of the PCB to accommodate more power phases. This board has 14 power phases. We also have dual 8-pin power inputs up here for up to 300 watts of power, and we have an EVGA EVBot connector, which allows you to kind of tweak the card from an EVGA EVBot controller. This board also has dual BIOSes, so it has a little BIOS jumper right here. If you flip it to the secondary mode, it gives you a little bit higher power target, so better overclocking and more control over the fan speed. And this board just started shipping, and it is $699 in the US.